Warning, Negroes have hit an all-time low. They are dying over Popeye's chicken sandwiches. See, that's why I don't even indulge in no dumb shit like that. What is wrong with Negroes? Silly, man. Niggas getting stabbed over chicken sandwiches. They talking about somebody cut the line. And, you know, he wanting a chicken sandwich so bad. He just gonna see the man in the parking lot and just stab him up. I mean, however, the goofy, y'all act like life is a video game, man. This shit ain't what that shit they be playing. Contra and shit. Modern Warfare, whatever. Y'all be playing. This ain't no game, man. I understand, niggas is frustrated, but that's going too far, man. So niggas killing over chicken sandwiches. No wonder why them white people walking around with guns on their hip in Walmart. I mean, and see goofy little stories like this, they highlight this and put it all on the news and show how goofy the Negroes is. All of us ain't like that. Facts. I mean, damn, a chicken sandwich? A chicken sandwich, man. Niggas is murdering for chicken sandwiches. Y'all niggas like the little crackhead on Boys in the Hood. Y'all want these cheeseburgers? Nigga like, what? I suck you, man. Pop, 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 pop. Come on, man. Y'all dying over Happy Meals and shit, man. For one, it was Jordans at one time. Niggas shooting over Jordans and shit. I mean, y'all dying for materialism, stuff that don't even matter. Stuff that don't even matter, niggas is dying over. But if you say, let's fight the good fight and die for some black power, niggas is going, oh man, I gotta go work, man, 3 o'clock, man. I'm gonna catch y'all brothers later. But you will stab a nigga in the heart or the chest or shoot a nigga over a chicken sandwich. Popeye's chicken. Negroes is the worst, man. Popeyes. Stay away from me, man. Facts. That's why I don't deal with nobody. Niggas is goofy. Stupid. Ignorant, man. Niggas is catching bodies over chicken sandwiches and shit. Wow. And then I seen another one too. It might have been Popeye. Talk about voodoo chicken. Who was that? Wasn't that Popeyes? Or church? It wasn't churches. It might have been. It was Popeye. Talking about some voodoo chicken. Stealing. And then niggas going in there, I'm going to get me some voodoo chicken. Clown and African legacy and culture. You see what I'm saying? Eating off African legacy and culture. Getting money. Ain't told you nothing. Niggas think voodoo was some spooky demon shit or something. Say black magic. Motherfucker go to running. Scared as hell. Stupid motherfuckers. But you will let these people make some voodoo chicken and sell it and make billions of dollars, and you don't even know that they're using your information. Where they do that at? And then they put the little spices on it. You see what they put the little spices on it and say voodoo chicken. Man, that's cultural appropriation, that's stealing and all that. Whichever one done it don't matter. Voodoo chicken. I done seen that shit in the grocery store. Where they have it, all you got the spice, it already spiced up for you. And all you got to do is just cook it up, fry it up, whatever. And you will have some voodoo chicken. But Negroes have hit an all-time low, catching 180 Sims in drive-bys over chicken sandwich. I ain't even got no more time to waste on that. We about to get to work, family. Y'all share the live stream. I'm coming right back in, family. Chop power.